Success is not built in a day. It is built in small moments, in invisible decisions, in habits so small you barely notice them. One decision seems insignificant. One day feels ordinary. But over time, these small habits become your identity. They become your future. The difference between a weak man and a powerful man, between failure and success, between poverty and wealth, is not talent, is habits. Today, you will learn the science of habits and how tiny changes can completely transform your life. If you truly apply what you learn today, your life 1 year from now will not be the same. Subscribe now and begin your transformation. Part 1. The power of small habits. Most people think success comes from big actions, big motivation, big decisions, but they are wrong. Success comes from small habits. Improving just 1% every day doesn't seem like much, but over 1 year, you become 37 times better. And if you get worse by 1% every day, you almost reach zero. This is the power of habits. Small habits don't matter today, but they matter everything tomorrow. Your life right now is the result of your habits. Your body is the result of your habits. Your money is the result of your habits. Your confidence is the result of your habits. You do not rise to your goals. You fall to your systems. Part 2. Your identity controls your habits. Most people try to change their habits, but they fail because they focus on the wrong thing. They focus on outcomes instead of identity. They say, I want to get fit. I want to get rich. I want to be confident. But they never become the person who lives that identity. Real change happens when you change your identity. Instead of saying, I want to run, say, I am a runner. Instead of, I want to read, say, I am a reader. Every action you take is a vote for the person you become. Every workout is a vote for being strong. Every study session is a vote for being intelligent. Every disciplined action builds your identity. And once your identity changes, everything changes. Part 3. The habit loop. Every habit follows 4 steps. Cue, craving, response, reward. First, cue, something triggers the habit. Second, craving, you feel desire. Third, response, you act. Fourth, reward, you feel satisfaction. This loop repeats again and again and again. Your brain is always looking for rewards. This is how habits are formed. If you understand this, you can control your habits and control your life. Part 4. How to build good habits. There are 4 laws to build good habits. First, make it obvious. Make your habits visible. If you want to read, keep a book in front of you. Second, make it attractive. Make habits enjoyable. Third, make it easy. Start small, very small, even 1 push-up. Fourth, make it satisfying. Reward yourself. Your brain repeats what feels good. Success is not about intensity. It is about consistency. Small habits, repeated daily, create powerful results. Part 5. How habits change your destiny. Your habits shape your future. If you improve daily, your future improves. If you destroy yourself daily, your future destroys. Your habits are building your destiny right now. Every day, you are becoming someone stronger or weaker, disciplined or lazy, powerful or average. You must choose. The difference between successful people and failures is not luck, it is habits. Successful people master their habits, and their habits master their future. Final message. You don't need massive change. You need small change, repeated daily. Success is not one moment. It is thousands of small wins. Start today. Start small, but never stop. Your future self is watching you. If you want to become mentally strong, disciplined, and powerful, subscribe now, because this channel is not for entertainment. It is for transformation. Your new life starts now.